I'm Mo. I'm glad you're here today. I have what I will call a mini Ulta haul today. There is the fabulous orange bag. Here's the deal, and I think you can relate to this. I am looking for a new foundation because my holy grail foundation has been discontinued. Yes, I know. Why do they do this? Anyway, CYO Lifeproof number 102. Now, I'm just gonna have to accept and move on that my favorite foundation is gone. So I'm trying to find a replacement. Now, I had heard that the Soap and Glory, I'm gonna call it the Kick A foundation, all day wear. Now, the Taylor had said that this is the exact packaging. It is the exact same formula, the exact same ingredients as the CYO Lifeproof, which was very encouraging. It's a little more than twice the price of the CYO, so that's a bit disappointing. She was trying to match shade 101, so she chose the first shade from the Soap and Glory Kick Arse foundation. And she felt like that was essentially a match for the 101. Well, I'm shade 102, and 102 is probably the best shade match I've ever found for my skin. I think I'm neutral. I don't know. Definitely not warm. If I lean anything, I lean cool. And so this is the foundation. And I chose shade 03. Now this is supposed to have a cool undertone. There's that. So I'm going to try that out. Not right now, but I will try it. Then I've also been really interested in the Flower Light Illusion because people have been talking about this for a long time. It seems to be right up my street. It is basically, what I understand is it's a fairly natural finish, maybe leaning glowy, and it is medium full coverage. I don't really do full coverage. I just think on me it tends to look cakey, and I don't think it really is helpful. So the Flower Beauty Light Illusion, I decided to get Ivory L2. So I suspect that means light 2. So I also have that one to test at a future date. And then the one that I have a feeling I'll test this first, and maybe people are interested in this one. I certainly am. It's the new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. So I'm curious about this. It has quite a shade range. I think it's 50 shades, and then they've broken it into their own category of master tone and undertone. So a lot of times, you know, I'm light, I'm deep, I'm medium. You kind of know roughly what your range of skin tone is, and then the undertone is like that tricky thing you have to figure out. And I chose 30NN, which means it is light, it is neutral master tone, and neutral undertone, which I think is what I am. I didn't get shade matched. You know what? I don't have a ton of good luck getting shade matched. People always just say to me, wow, you have really weird skin, which I don't find all that helpful. It really just makes me feel bad about myself. So I will be trying that one also. And then what else did I get? Oh, this is totally Emily Noel. She had a video yesterday, on Saturday, I think, with the Catrice 1 Minute Face Perfector. I'm all for perfecting. So I'm going to try that out. And then I have wanted this for a long time. The 24-Hour Brow Setter from Benefit. I've always liked that kind of boy brow feathery look. In fact, a few years ago, a makeup artist was doing my makeup, and he said, do you just leave them like that? Don't you trim them? Don't you sculpt them or whatever? And I just thought, well, that's how I like my brows. Now it's coming back in fashion, which is, I don't really care. That's just the way I like them. But anyway, I have heard that this will keep them in place, and that is my hope. So that's why I got that. And then tomorrow, when I'm filming this is Sunday, tomorrow is National Lipstick Day, which is, you know, for any makeup like aficionado, lipstick is probably a lot of people's favorite because it's easy, it's fun, you can change it throughout the day, whatever. Ulta was having essentially buy one get one free on the Becca Ultimate Love lipstick, and so I bought one. I got one free, and I chose the colors Blush, which is more of a warm undertone, of course kind of neutral, that's pretty much my style, and Petal, which is a cooler undertone. In fact, let's get these out. I don't think I'm going to swatch them, but I'll show you what they look like. So this one is Blush. As I said, this has a warmer undertone. And then, and I usually go cooler, but in this case I thought it was subtle enough. Like, some things tend to go really orange on me or really brown on me. It doesn't work with my skin, but I think that one's gonna work. And then this one is Petal, which is probably more typically what I would get, and that is a cooler undertone nude. So again, I will be, oh, let's have, love it. I never tire of magnetic closure on a lipstick. And then Buxom. I have been looking for these. I saw them somewhere, listed somewhere. The Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipsticks, and I just haven't actually seen them out in the wild anywhere. This one is called Influencer, and it's a pretty, again, pretty basic neutrally color, but I thought it might be a good go with everything kind of shade. Oh, that's cute. They have, can you see they have little lipstick imprints in the side there? I like detail. It's got a pretty standard, I guess I would say, vanilla fragrance, at least standard since MAC standardized it 20 years ago or whatever. So that is my haul. My bag is empty. And I'll be following up on all this stuff, doing reviews, etc. And I'm really glad you're here. I like makeup. I enjoy talking about it. I don't have friends that talk about it, so I'm talking to you. And just thanks for being here. That's really nice, and I'm glad to have you. And I will see you soon.